So today, I wanted to mention something I've used in my 401k system that maybe you don't know about, and not all plans offer this. But my company uses a plan called with Fidelity, and Fidelity offers within my plan something called Brokerage Link. I don't know if that is just Fidelity's term. In fact, it might have a copyright thing on it, but other plans might. I don't know if you're Vanguard or Schwab or whatever, but Fidelity's version offers something called Brokerage Link that is part of their retirement account. So if you're interested in this, go into your 401k system, look around and search for that term Brokerage Link. Now, basically, the cool thing about it is this option lets you self-direct your IRA or your 401k, basically. So in my plan, it allows you to keep just 5% in the traditional plan, and you can move 95% of your 401k funds into the brokerage link option. And the brokerage link functions just like a normal brokerage account. So it opens up the ability within your 401k to buy basically anything. So you can buy ETFs, you can buy individual stocks, you can buy precious metal companies, you can buy the metals themselves, you can do a bunch of things that you can't really from a traditional 401k plan, because usually normal 401ks are meant to be somewhat easy for people to understand. You get like 20 different choices to try to make it easy for you, and or also generate some fees for themselves. So usually there's only about 20 different options, but if you have a brokerage link option, you basically can buy the world from it, and it's awesome because then you can self-direct your own 401k. I guess it's not awesome for everybody, but if you found this channel, chances are you're a DIY investor and you want every option you can. So I did that at work. I moved 95% of my 401k over into the brokerage link, and then I just self-directed, and it lets me pick and choose the stocks that I'm interested in. You can buy technology if you want. I like dividend-paying stocks, so I have a bunch of utilities and pipelines, and there's a few precious metal miners. They're not much of a dividend payer, but they have been in the past at some point. And healthcare sectors. You can buy Pepsi individually or Coke or Colgate Palmolive or whatever, so it allows you to kind of um, create your own investing style if you want. And so, particularly if you have Fidelity, look for Brokerage Link. Um, the other providers, look for self-directed investment account, because you may have that ability, and if so, it gives you a lot more freedom within your 401k to invest in what you'd like rather than the limited 20 possibilities that they have. So check it out, something interesting. Look for that, and hopefully this helps somebody. None of it's financial advice, just a YouTuber talking about things that have helped me. So cheers, we'll see you. Bye.